about the hope though. Again, I said at the beginning, 27 years ago, I would never have thought I would seen this in my lifetime. And it's only getting better. There's so much research going on. So there's early testing and diagnosing that Dr. Pandy kind of talked about. So I think in the future, the way this is trending is that the blood tests that are available at some point will become part of your normal screening routine, like a mammogram, a colonoscopy. Because as he mentioned, the sooner you can get diagnosed with something like cognitive impairment, now that we have treatments, the better off, hopefully, your quality of life is going to be for longer, and that's what everybody wants, right? A better quality of life for as long as possible. So getting tested early and getting those diagnostic tests, PET scans, MRIs, is very important. There are many neurologists in town that are doing the biomarker test and the blood test. We do it in research, so I work primarily in research for him at the TrialSphere is the name of our organization now. And we do the testing as well. And if you come through a clinical research trial, everything is free. So the testing is free, imaging is free, if you're getting medication, that's free. So talk about some of the available medications. So donepezil, memantine. These two drugs are pills. They've been around since the 1990s. They are not disease modifying, but they help with day-to-day alertness and memory and thinking. And so some of you may be familiar with those medications already. A disease modifying med means that it's going to slow the progression of the disease. So the two that are already FDA approved are donanemab and lecanemab. Those are both IV infusions. A neurologist can order those. We have a few trials still going on with those in our research site. And so unfortunately, we don't have any trials that are enrolling for either of those right now, but they are available through a neurology office. Some of the trials that we do still have going on right now for Alzheimer's, there's one called remternetug. It's a sub-Q injection that goes in the belly once a month, and that primarily targets amyloid. The other two infusion ones that are approved also target amyloid, not tau. The BMS 986446 medication, which we also have a study for right now, targets tau, and so that's what's working on that. So the very, very exciting news coming out right now is this new medicine. It's a pill. It's called butanetap. The great thing that we're really hoping with this drug, and early studies are showing, is that it works on tau, p-tau217, beta amyloid, and something called alpha-synuclein, which is another protein which can cause Parkinson's and dementia with Lewy body. And so this medicine is very promising because it works early on in the disease progress and helps you to not produce those proteins that Dr. Pandy was talking about that cleave off, that break in half and get sticky. So this medicine works before that, so that doesn't happen. So this is a very, very exciting medication that it'll still be probably 3 or 4 years before it's approved by the FDA, but it is very, very promising and very exciting in the world of cognitive decline. So.